Have you ever wondered how farmers get milk from cows into your glass? It's not done by hand anymore. We're about to solve a mystery that happens twice a day, every single day, on dairy farms around the world. Stick around, because at the end, I'll tell you something mind-blowing about how much milk just one machine can collect in a single day.
Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy.
So, what actually is a dairy milking machine? It's a special device that gently sucks milk from a cow's udder and carries it through tubes into a big, clean storage tank. Think of it like a super advanced vacuum cleaner, but instead of sucking up dust, it's carefully collecting fresh milk. When a cow is ready to be milked, she walks into a special area called a milking parlor. A farmer carefully attaches soft cups to the cow's udder, which is where the milk comes from. These cups are connected to tubes, kind of like straws, except they're clear and sanitized. Once the machine starts up, here's where the magic happens. The milk flows smoothly through these tubes, traveling like a river through underground pipes. The milk zooms from the cow's udder through the tubes and empties into a huge collection tank that's kept super cold. This journey happens in just seconds. The whole system is closed off from the air, which means no dust, no bugs, and no germs can get anywhere near your milk. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. Where does milk travel through to get from the cow to the collection tank? A. Buckets. B. Tubes. C. Bottles. D. Hoses on the ground. If you said B, tubes, then well done. That's correct. The milk travels through a sealed system of tubes that keep it flowing smoothly and cleanly from start to finish.
Hey, you're watching Goalie's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
Now, let me tell you something really cool about how these machines treat cows. The milking cups don't just suck continuously like a vacuum. They actually pulse on and off, creating a gentle rhythm. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release. This pulsing action mimics the feel of a calf drinking milk naturally, and it gives the cow's udder a mini massage with every cycle. Here's a wow fact. Cows actually like being milked by machines. When their udders are full of milk, they feel uncomfortable, kind of like when you really need to use the bathroom. The milking machine relieves that pressure and makes them feel better. Many cows even line up on their own when it's milking time. And get this, modern milking machines are so smart, they can tell when each udder is empty. The moment the milk stops flowing, sensors automatically shut off the suction and the cups gently drop away. No over-milking, no discomfort. Time for our second quiz. True or false? The milking machine has a pulsing massage action that helps keep cows comfortable. If you said true, that squeeze and release pulsing action is basically a massage that keeps cows happy and healthy during milking. Then well done, that's correct. Now, what about cleanliness? After all, this milk is going to end up in your cereal bowl. After every single milking session, hot water mixed with special cleaning soap gets pumped through the entire system, through every tube, every cup, every corner where milk touched. Then, clean hot water rinses everything out. Then a sanitizing solution flows through to kill any tiny bacteria that might be hiding and make milk spoil or people sick. Here's something wild. These cleaning cycles happen automatically. The farmer just presses a button and the machine cleans itself. The whole process takes 30 to 40 minutes and happens at least twice a day. And dairy farms are regularly inspected by food safety experts. If a farm doesn't meet super strict cleanliness standards, they can't sell their milk. So why does all of this matter to you? 100 years ago, farmers milked cows by hand, one at a time. One farmer could maybe milk 20 cows in a whole day. Now, with modern milking machines, that same farmer can milk hundreds of cows in just a few hours, meaning more families get fresh, clean milk at lower prices every single day. Time for our last quiz. Multiple choice question. What happens after every milking session to keep the milk clean and safe? A. The farmer paints the machine. B. The machine cleans itself. C. The cows wash the tubes. D. The machine gets thrown away. If you said B, the machine automatically pumps hot water and special soap through all the tubes and cups to keep everything clean and safe, then well done. That's correct. Milk travels from the cow's udder through sealed tubes to a cold storage tank, never touching the air. Milking machines use a gentle pulsing massage that keeps cows comfortable. And automatic cleaning systems sterilize every part to keep your milk pure and safe. And here's that mind-blowing fact. One modern milking machine can collect over 15,000 pounds of milk in a single day. That's enough to fill about 1,800-gallon jugs. Next time you pour milk on your cereal, think about that incredible journey. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, every time you learn something new, you're building your own superpower. See you next time, curious minds.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.